Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant where the game is stuck at the loading screen or at the player selection screen and you are getting an AFK warning. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right click on riot client, choose the option properties. Here, under the run as, from the drop down list, choose the option minimize. In the compatibility tab, checkmark the option run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead and launch the game, and this simple fix help you fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. If this failed to work out, head over to settings menu, click on the option apps available over here. Here click on the option optional features. Now scroll down and click on the option more Windows features. From here you need to turn off virtualization based security. First of all, you need to find Hyper-V. Here it is. If this option is check mark, go ahead and you need to uncheck this particular option. Nextly is press the V key to find virtual machine platform and Windows hypervisor platform. If both these options are also check mark, go ahead and uncheck these two options also. And lastly is Microsoft Defender Application Guard. If this is also check mark, go ahead and uncheck it. Once it is done, hit the OK option. This will go ahead and uninstall these options, which will help you fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. If this also failed, let's proceed to the next step. Head over to this PC, C drive, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, and here you will find a file with the name Manifest Debug Files. Go ahead, right click and choose the option delete. Now go ahead, you are ready to launch the game. This will hopefully fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. If this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Click on the start menu and type CMD. Run CMD as an administrator. Type here a command sc delete vgc and hit the enter key. Now type sc delete vgk and then hit the enter key again. Once both the commands are completed, close it. Now right click on taskbar and choose the option task manager. In this performance tab, you need to find any Valorant related services running in your system, like it is running right over here, riot client. Right click and choose the option end task. Make sure you close the Valorant related services from the task manager, else this command will not work. Now nextly, you need to restart your PC. Restarting the PC is the major requirement for this method to work out. After restarting, head over to this PC, C drive, program files, and here you will find a folder with the name riot vanguard. Go ahead, right click and choose the option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why it is giving me the error that the action cannot be completed. So make sure after processing with the commands and closing the riot client, you must restart your PC and delete this folder with the name riot vanguard. After deleting, go ahead, launch the riot client. It will provide you an option to update the game. Go ahead, log in. Once you are logged in, you will find an option of update. Go ahead and click on the option update. This will go ahead and update your game, and which will completely fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. Now if all the method fails, the last hope you have is to head out to your browser and open a website with the name bitsum. You need to go ahead and download this free program into your system. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and install it in your PC. Once the program is installed, close it. Now from this system tray icon, click on this up arrow key and you will find the bitsum program. You need to right click on it, and if this particular option is unchecked, you need to check mark the option Pro Balance enabled, like it is showing right over here. After enabling this process, go ahead, relaunch the riot client, relaunch the Valorant, and this will completely fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. Many users have claimed that by resetting their router has also fixed out their issue. So if it is still there, try resetting your router, which will help you fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.